So hello friends, in this video we will see how we can create life cycle policies for the EC2 instance. So we will see how we can use the life cycle policy to create the EBS snapshot policy and EBS backed up AMI policy. And we will see what are the main differences in both of these. Okay. So for this, first of all, I will create a EC2 instance. I will name it VM22 because I've created many VMs, so I will name it this one. Okay. And I will use Ubuntu OS. Okay. The instance type will be T2 micro and I will be using a saved up key pair. Okay. I've already selected a security group that I will be using. It's a demo and I've enabled the SSH and HTTP HTTPS port in this one. The size of the storage that I will be using is 8 GB. Okay. And now I will launch this one. It will take some time for the instance to launch. Okay. And as you can see, it's running already. So I will connect this instance, and what I will do is I will create a file and also I will install the Java in this. Okay. So okay, it's taking some time to run, so that's why I'm not able to connect. Okay, it's connected now. So first of all, I will do update with the Ubuntu OS. Okay. Okay, it's taking some time. Okay, so it's done. So next thing I will do is I will install the Java. I will install the sudo apt JDK version 8. Okay. So let's do one thing. Sudo apt. Just copy this one and I will paste it together. Okay. Yes, and it will be installed. So after installing this JDK version, I will check from my snapshot and AMI images, am I getting the same version or not? Okay. Okay, so as you can see, OpenJDK version is installed. Now I will check my location. There is no file. Okay, and my present working directory is home Ubuntu. So I will create a file. I will name it test and I will install it. Okay. So it's cat1.txt. Okay. So we have created a file named test. Okay. So now we can start with our lifecycle manager policy. Okay. So first I will create a EBS snapshot policy. We have to choose the name of the VM or if we have added any other tag. Okay. So this is my VM. I will add it. I will say here snapshot back volume snapshot backup snapshot of EBS. Okay. And I will go with the default setting for this one. Okay. So I will say here hourly snapshots. I want hourly snapshots. Okay. So let's click here and 1 hour. Okay. So because it will be on UTC timing, so I will check my time in UTC. Okay, so I will select here. Okay, it's 3:13. Okay, so I will select here 15. Okay, 1 second. 1:5:30. Okay, so I want it to start at uh 15:30. Okay, the maximum number of count of snapshot that I want is one. Okay, I don't want more than one snapshot. Okay, I will continue with the default setting. So what happened once this policy will trigger at 15:30 UTC, but because this will be the first time, so it will take some time, about in half an hour, the snapshot will be taken. Okay. So I will review this policy and I will create it. Okay. So this is hourly. Okay. This one part is done. I will create another policy. This time I will be using the EBS-backed AMI policy. Okay. I will click next. Again, I will add my VM here. So VM is added. So this is AMI backed up, AMI VM backup. Okay. I will go with the default settings. Okay. Again, it's hourly backup. So I will say hourly backup. Daily, I want it to repeat every hour. And again, same thing I will do here. I will give it time of 15:30. Okay. And I want it to have only a one count. Okay. So once a new AMI image or backup will be created, it will replace the previous one. Okay. So I will go to the default settings and this is it. Okay, so currently I don't have any snapshot as you can see. Okay, and there are no AMI images as well. Snapshot and I do have second taking some kind of test, and I do have one volume attached. Okay, so it will take some time. Once the snapshot and AMI images are up, I will start the video again. Okay. Okay, friends. So now, as you can see, a snapshot is created. Okay, and I can see the AMI image is also created. So what I believe is I expected two snapshots here because one would be for my AMI and another will be from the snapshot policy, but it's only one. So I will check and see what's uh, the thing when we have two different policy working for the AMI and snapshot. There could be some changes that cause this. Okay. So for now, what I will do is I will deploy the image. Okay, I will deploy this image and show you guys that it has the changes that we implemented. Okay, so I will name it VM AMI. Okay, and all the settings will be same. I will give it the key and the security group will be same, and I will launch this one. Okay. Okay, so the EC2 is launched now. Okay, so this one is the one that I will be connecting with. So I will connect with this one. Okay. Let me reload this one because I know the security group is fine. The only thing that could be that this machine is new and it is taking some time for it to load. Okay, okay, it's done. Okay, so now let's see. I'm in different location. Let's go to home, Ubuntu, and I should have this file. Okay, so the content should be test perfect, and now I can see the Java version. Okay, guys. So as you can see, the software installed is same as well. Okay. So this happened because my OS image, OS volume and EBS volume are on the same thing because I'm only using one EBS volume for this. Okay. So if you have only one EBS volume, in that case, you can either go with the snapshot. Okay. And if you have using a different volume for the OS and different for the storage. In that case, I would suggest you go for the AMI so that any changes or configuration made in OS should be reflected in your backup as well. Okay. So this is all for the video, guys. If you have any questions, any queries, please drop a comment down below. Okay. Thank you, guys.